Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my lecture for class 11 science subject chemistry. In the previous lectures, we have started chapter number 14 basic principles of organic chemistry. In that lectures, we have studied about classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group and homologous series. Today we are going to study very important part of organic chemistry, that is nomenclature. So let us start nomenclature of organic compounds. Nomenclature of organic compounds. Now there are two methods. First method is common name or trivial name, and second one is IUPAC name. The full form of IUPAC name is what? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Now, try to understand the difference between common name and IUPAC name. First point is, in common name system, we have to count all the carbon atoms present in the structure formula. Of organic compounds. This is the first point for writing. Second point, the words N for what? Normal, iso, sec means secondary, third means tertiary, and new are used for writing common name. And see, in IUPAC we have to count in IUPAC name. First you select the longest chain. Containing maximum number of carbon atoms. And second point, count only carbon atoms present in the longest chain. And third point is numbering of carbon atom. Carbon atom is necessary. So this is the difference between common name and IUPAC name system. So first let us start common name. See, in common name, suppose we have one compound C, 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 C and C. Here we have to count all the carbon atoms present in the chain. So here there are 5 carbon atoms. But if you consider C, 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 C and one C is here, that time longest chain is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that time we have to count only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. You see here, carbon atoms are 4. This is what? That carbon atom we do not count. That is what? Branch. So I hope you understood the difference between common name and IUPAC name. See here, this is the longest chain. We will see some examples for writing common name of organic compound. Structural formula. And here common name. First CH3 CH2 Cl. Here Cl is what? Cl means what? Chlorine. So here name is what? Ethyl chloride. You know that CH3 CH2, that means what? C2H5 C2H5 dash. It is what? Ethyl, that you know. CH3 dash, that is what? Methyl. This that means what? This is valency. This is methyl, this is ethyl. So here you get what? Ethyl chloride. Now see the second example. CH3 CH2 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 Br. See here, number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4. Means it is butyl. So name is what? Butyl bromide. But see, it is a normal chain. So we put here N. So name is what? N butyl bromide. Now see the next example. CH3 CH CH3 CH2 Br. For this, count the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you get what? Alkyl group is what? Butyl. But see the position. See this position. CH3 CH CH3. This position is called as what? Iso. So name is what? Iso butyl. Isobutyl bromide. Now we'll see next. CH3 CH Br CH2 CH3. Now see here, already we have studied about types of carbon atoms: primary, secondary, tertiary. So see, this is what primary, because it is the first carbon atom. But now see, this is what secondary, because it is attached to first and second carbon atoms. Now it is also secondary, and it is primary carbon atom. See here, Br is attached to secondary carbon atom, and therefore name is sec. Sec. And say count the number of carbon atoms: 1, 2, 3, 4. So second sec butyl bromide. Sec butyl bromide means what? Secondary butyl bromide. Now we will see next example. Fifth, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, Br. Now see, again here, this carbon atom is what? Primary. This carbon atom is primary. This carbon atom is primary. But this carbon atom is what? Tertiary, because it is attached to 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms. So here name is what? Put tert. Tert. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of carbon atoms are 4. So here you get tertiary, that is tert, tertiary butyl, and Br means what? Bromide. Now see the next example. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2, Br. Now again see, how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means alkyl is what? Pentyl. But see, this carbon atom, this is primary carbon atom, this is this is primary carbon atom, this is also primary carbon atom, this is also primary carbon atom. But see, this carbon atom is what? Quaternary, because this carbon atom is attached to 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. So it is quaternary, and for quaternary we are using word neo, and here you get what? Neopentyl and bromide. This is about common name. Now we will take one more example. CH3, CH, CH3, Br. Again see, here you get what? CH3, CH, CH3 means you get the word iso. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3. So isopropyl bromide. But it has again another name. Count this: 1. This is primary, and this is secondary. See here, to secondary carbon atom Br is attached. So here another name: secondary propyl bromide. For this there are two common names. I hope you understood this common name, how to write common name. Let us start with IUPAC nomenclature. You must know alkane means carbon-carbon single bond. Alkene means carbon-carbon double bond, and alkyl means carbon-carbon triple bond. If we have n is equal to 1, then you must get what? Meth. Meth, here you get what? Methane. There is no, if n is equal to 2 means what? You get eth. You remember this. Eth means here you get what? Ethane. Here you get ethene, and here you get ethane. Similarly, if n is equal to 3, then it is what? Prop. Prop means here you get propane, and here you get propane. Similarly, n is equal to 4 means you get but, means here you get butane, here you get butina, and here you get butane. If we have n is equal to 5, then you get pent. Pent means here you get pentane, alkene means pentene, and alkyne means pentane. If n is equal to 6, then you put hex. Hex means here you get hexane, here hexene, and here hexyl. Similarly, n is equal to 7, then you get hept, and here you get heptane, heptene, heptyl. If n is equal to 8, then you get oct. Oct means here you get octane, octene, and octane. Similarly, you get nonane, nonane, nonine, dec, decane, decene, decathlon. For here you get what? Methyl. Here you get ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, heptyl, octyl. Means one of the hydrogen atom is removed from alkane, you get what? Alkyl groups like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc. Start IUPAC, how to give IUPAC name to this compound. Now see, first we have to select longest chain containing maximum number of carbon atoms. If you consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, here only 4 carbon atoms are present, this numbering is correct. But if you give this type of numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, this is what? Incorrect numbering. Incorrect. And this one is what? Correct numbering. Now question arises, why this is incorrect numbering and it is correct numbering? Because here this is what? Substituent. This carbon atom is not included in the longest chain. So this is called as what? Locate. And try to give lower number to the locate, and therefore you have to cancel this numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, because here if you consider 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 is the lowest number for this locate and 3 is the bigger number, so we have to remove this incorrect numbering. So here locate have lower number, that is 2, so name is what? 2. Substituent is what? CH3, means methyl. Then count the number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4 present in the longest chain. 4 means what? butane. So name is what? 2-methyl-butane. Similarly, see here second example. If you count this way, 1, 2, 3. Count this way, 1, 2, 3. You can follow any numbering. Both the numberings they are what? Correct. Okay. We can consider this numbering. At this longest chain contain only 3 carbon atoms, means propane is the parent chain, and see these are what? Locanes. How many locanes are attached? 2 locanes are attached, and therefore first you put 2 for this locane, and for this locane again put 2. So here you get what? 2. There are 2 methyl group, so put di. Methyl group means methyl, dimethyl group. 1, 2, 3 means what? Propane. Don't do any mistake while writing this comma and hyphen. You must remember where to put comma and where to put hyphen. It is called as what? Hyphen. See, this is what? Hyphen, and this comma because locanes are attached to the same carbon atom, that is second carbon atom. So it is 2,2-dimethyl propane. Now see the next. Here count the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here longest chain contain only 4 carbon atoms, but it is not true. Count this number also. You must get longest continuous chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what happened here? Locanes at second position and locane at what? Third position. If you count this way, it is 1, then 2, then 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this time, if you try this 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 5. And if you count this numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you get what? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Here sum of the locant is what? 4 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. We do not consider. You must get lowest sum of locanes. So this numbering is what? Incorrect. So remove this. And this numbering is what? Correct. And therefore you get 2, 3, 2 methyl group, dimethyl, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is what? Parent chain is what? Pentane. Try to understand how to give the number and how to write the position of the locate. Now see these structures, how to give the numbers. Here CH3 is nearest to the first carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't count this locate because it is far away from the first carbon atom. It is nearest to the first carbon atom. So it is what? Locate. This is also what? Locate. It may be CH2, CH3 means what? Ethyl group. So how to write down this? Here you get what? For methyl group, the locate position is what? Second carbon atom, and for ethyl group, locate position is what? At what? 3. So E come first, and therefore I put here 3. 3 ethyl, then 2 methyl, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl. How many carbon atoms are present in the longest continuous chain? 6. So here you get what? Hexane. Now see the second. Here, if you count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms are present in the longest continuous chain. Now we will proceed for the next numbering to get maximum number of carbon atoms. If you count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is this numbering is what? incorrect, and therefore numbering start from 1 2, because here C2 1 2, here 3 4 5 6 and 7. These are what? Locate at third position and locate at fourth position. Again we have to write what? 4 ethyl, because ethyl come first. 4 ethyl, 3 methyl, and parent chain is what? Heptane. So 4 ethyl, 3 methyl, heptane. Now come to this. Here you can count anything. 1 2 3 4 5. If you count this way, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we consider only this numbering. At third position, 2 ethyl group are there, means you get 3 diethyl. Parent chain is what? Pentane. Diethyl pentane. Understood how to write common name and IUPAC name of organic compounds. In the next lectures, we will study some more examples in order to write their IUPAC name. Today it is enough. We will meet next time. Thank you very much. Enjoy.